Hello, I just wanted to make a quick video on a technique for some sound design that I've been working on, of just using a DC offset to basically work as an impulse response to any plugins that's really like delay based really. So what I've got here, just copy it over, is just a WAV file that's just a DC offset, so it's just going straight, not even like going from 0, just going across to I don't know, like 0.7 or whatever it is. And so the way you can create that, if you don't know, is you can just use this add DC effect and then just render that out. And then what I'm doing with it is just basically turning it into almost like an ADSR envelope, so without the decay, and just using it like this to basically allow myself to just have a quick impulse. So I can just show you there. Doesn't sound particularly interesting, but what that allows you to do is then use plugins that are kind of based on delays or that add some kind of almost reverb-esque like extra tail to the sound. So I've got M phaser here, which I'm using as disperser. If you haven't done this before, it's very easy. I just reset it to factory. I can show you. You can turn M phaser into basically a disperser by just turning up the dry and wet, turning the LFO all the way up, turning the feedback down, and then changing the mode. So up, like just turning it up, probably turning this down. So that's without, and then with. You can hear that sort of like dispersory sound. So if you think of this as kind of the amount, and this is the frequency, it's a good way of using it. Cool. And then what I'm doing from there is, you're already getting something interesting. I'm adding a decapitator just to give it a little bit more oomph. I think it just needs it for what you're doing. And then I'm using crystallizer as well to just have something to play around with to get different like variations. I'm using relimit after the crystallizer just because I have it sometimes when crystallizer just sort of screams at you when you keep pressing the spacebar over and over again. So having that there just to save your headphones is quite useful. So yeah, it's just been a fun thing to play around with. Cool. I hope somebody finds that interesting.